I tell you, they both are foundation chains for crochet. Which one would you like to choose? This is the basic chain stitch that we do all the time, and this is the foundation chain stitch, foundation single crochet chain stitch. The difference is amazing. This is more structured. We don't need to count chains. We can simply make as single crochets as we want for the first row. And for this one, we have to make the chains, and then we have to make the extra chains that we need to turn and make the first row of single crochet. If we make this, we will straight away working on our project. In this video, we will see how to make this lovely stitch. Let's see. To learn this, we will be using 6mm crochet hook and some yarn. First of all, we will start with the slip knot. Then we will make 2 chains. 1 and 2. Here we have 2 chains on the hook. We will work in the second chain from hook. 1, 2. We will go in the loop that you see on the top, and if we turn around, you can see another loop at the bottom. We have to go in both the loops. Yarn over the hook or wrap the yarn on the hook. Pull it through the both loops. We have 2 loops on the hook now. Wrap the yarn now and pull through first loop only. That's what we made 1 chain. Yarn over the hook again and pull through next both loops. And that's how we made our first single crochet. To make the next single crochet foundation, we need to look for the V on the left side of the work. This is the work we will turn, and we will see the V stitch on the left side. And here we can see a V forming here. That is in the behind stitch of our single crochet. We will go in both of these loops. Wrap the yarn on the hook and pull through these both loops. Now we have again 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over the hook and pull through the first loop only. That was the chain 1 that we have made again. Yarn over the hook again and pull through the both loops from the hook to complete the single crochet. Again, we have to repeat the same thing. Go on the side and see for the V forming. And here we can again see a V forming here. We will bring our hook underneath these both stitches. And just look, this is the top of the work. We are going at the bottom of the work. Yarn over the hook, pull through both loops. Again yarn over the hook and pull through this first loop only to make the chain 1. Now you wrap the yarn on the hook and pull through both loops to complete our single crochet. Now again we will look at the bottom of the work and see this V stitch forming, and then we will go in this both V loops, both loops that are forming V stitch. Wrap the yarn on the hook, pull a loop, 2 loops on the hook, wrap the yarn on the hook and pull through first loop only. Now wrap the yarn on the hook and pull through both and complete the single crochet. Again we see a V forming at the bottom, so we will go in that V shaped loop. Wrap the yarn on the hook, pull a loop through the V stitch. We have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over the hook and pull through first loop only, and we have 2 loops on the hook again. Wrap the on the hook and pull through the both loops. I hope you understand. Let's do it one more final time. This is what we can see in front of us. If we turn our work to the bottom here, we see a V stitch. We need to go in this V forming, both loops front and back. We need to go in both loops. This is the front we're going, and this is the back one, the loop that was on the back. I am on the both loops now. Wrap the on the hook, pull through, 2 loops on the hook, wrap the on the hook and pull through 1 loop only, and now wrap the on the hook and pull through both loops and complete my single crochet. So that's how we make this foundation single crochet. And once you're done with this one, then your row is complete and we can start working in the next row. When we work with the normal chain, then we work on the chain first, then we need to complete first row and then we go on the second row. But when you work with the single crochet like this, then you are straight away going to the second row. Now we will make chain 1 and start on the second row. So turn around and now we will work on this side. Remember, first we were working on the bottom of the stitches. Now we will work on the top of the stitches like we normally do in the crochet. Turn around and now we will work on the top of the stitches. This is our first stitch. We will simply make our normal single crochet. We will keep working and keep making our normal single crochets now and complete our second row. So it's very simple and easy. Once you're done with the foundation single crochet, then it's easy. And if we're working with this foundation chain, it's slightly difficult to work with. So that's how simply and quickly we made our 2 rows. I hope you like it and understand it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next video. Until then, have a nice time. Bye.